1 minute exercise, plate balancing. Yes. If you are doing this standing up, you take a deep breath in, exhale out, bend the knees, bring your arms back, and then forward, exhale. There we go. Release the tension from the lower back and release the heaviness from your shoulders, from all your to-do lists. Yes, keep going. Breathing in. Let's make our lungs stronger. Exhaling out. Remember, guys, you can do this sitting down. If you are sitting in front of your desk, just push your chair away from the computer just for 1 minute and do a little bit of plate balancing. Yes, let's keep making ourselves much lighter. So much tension and tightness in the shoulders. It blocks the oxygen to our lungs. But you're almost there. You're almost there. Keep going. And you did it again.